The name of the poem is Resonance of the Soul. You question the things I have lost, unaware of their true cost. They aren't something that money can measure. They were my most cherished treasure. My relationships, my pride, my self-worth. Losing them left me empty, like a platter with nothing to offer. I don't crave superficial things, just the basic needs of being heard and seen. What matters to me is my own belief, shedding the weight of what others chatter. My pride isn't tied to how much I earn. There is more to it than money can ever discern. I want to live by my values each day, a legacy to leave behind of being honest and kind, come what may. But life has a way of keeping us grounded. I did deter from my path and was bounded by what others expect. That happiness was fleeting with strings attached. Every moment felt wrong, egregious. All the money and fame meant nothing when deep inside emotions were colluding. So now I wish to live a life of abundance where my thoughts are my own, only seeking my soul's resonance.
Yeah.
Thank you. There is one more.
Yeah, sure, please.
Just a second. Yeah. So the second one is training my mind. I have come to understand my mind isn't my foe. Its default is to keep me secure. But just as we train our muscles for strength, I must train it to embrace risks, give directions, be intentional in believing the good exists. Or what may come my way, and even if it doesn't, it still has the power to not go astray. I will find reasons to be grateful for all the lesson life brings, for in every experience I either win or learn. If I train my mind to this thought, otherwise happiness will remain distant. It's a confusing place to be, but this is where my home is. So I need to nourish it with care, water it with good thoughts, illuminate it with good vibes, serve it with positivity so it grows and make room for all emotions while filtering out what doesn't serve, expanding its capacity for growth.
वाह, वाह।
Thank you.
मेरे ख्याल से जैसे तपस्या जी ने पूछा था ना, द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम मी, आई वांट टू आस्क, मतलब हाउ डू यू राइट इतना, मतलब कैसे लिख लेते हो आप लोग? लाइक आई मीन यू आर ए चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट वैसे भी, फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट प्रोफेशन, हाउ डू यू राइट सच प्रोफाउंड पोएट्रीज?
I think a lot of inspiration comes from reading.
Okay.
I read a lot of, or if I read, I get ideas and of course my own emotions. But I read a lot of poetry और कहीं बार सिर्फ एक word strike कर जाता है, वो ऐसे emotions trigger करता है that you instantly hold pen or nowadays on laptop or phone and you start writing. And as I told earlier, I write every day. Like I may not post it every day, but I write every day because I write for myself. So just that reading and feeling your emotions, बहुत happy हो तो भी जरूर लिखना है, बहुत sad हो तो भी जरूर लिखना है, कुछ नहीं feel कर रहे तो लिखना ही लिखना है. So I think it's just yeah, that's it.
Both the poetries were very good, very inspiring, like training your mind, and the first one also, like both were amazing poetries, as always. Tapasya ji?
Yeah, both your poems were, a journey of self-discovery. So, I mean, second one, when we talk about mind, we always talk about resilience. And the way you have talked about, you kind of a very nurturing way of, and we all need to nurture our mind rather than be very strict, We have to take care of our mind like a mother. And always say, I mean, there's when Dr. Rife always like, just hold like this and tell your brain tell your mind that I love you. So a very nurturing way, right? Rather than ye karo, wo karo. No, you have to do this. So that no fighting, just calm. So it's beautiful what you have written. Wonderful. And CA writing like this is amazing.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Fabulous, fabulous.
उषा जी.
Geetika, as your name suggests, there is a rhythm in your words and
Thank you.
great thoughts, good diction, and beautiful titles given.
Thank you, ma'am.
Loved listening to your poems.
Thank you so much.
लक्ष्मी जी.
Geetika, I do follow your posts, and every time I notice that, there's a lot of positivity and motivating words, and both your poems were very, very inspiring and beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you,
मोनी
ma'am.
दीपा.
ब्यूटीफुल पोम. एज यूजुअल मैंने आपको पहले भी सुना है. तो मुझे तभी अच्छा लगा था, आज भी अच्छा लगा. और सबसे अच्छी चीज मुझे ये लगी कि मतलब आज पूरे सेशन में आप दोनों की पोएट्री, मतलब गीतिका आपकी और तपस्या आपकी, दोनों की पोएट्री बस आई मीन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एक तरीके से. कि हाँ, दोनों अपने आप को समझने के लिए, अपने आप को और बेहतर बनाने के लिए, दोनों ही मतलब बहुत एक अच्छा इंस्पिरेशन का काम हमारे लिए कर सकती हैं. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू गीतिका जी, आपको भी, और तपस्या जी आपको भी दोबारा. बहुत अच्छा
Thank
लगा
you so
गीतिका जी, आपको
much.
दोबारा
Thank
सुनना चाहेंगे.
Thank you. Thank you, Geetika. Thank you so much.
you. Thank you so much.